how to set up Google Pay balance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can set up your Google Pay balance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to set up your Google Pay balance, it is different than setting up your Google Pay account. After you set up your Google Pay account, only you'll be able to set up the balance account. Now to do this, open the Google Pay application and then just make sure that you are signed into your account here. After you do that, just make sure to tap your profile ID from the top right hand side. Here you'll find it says money in Google Pay, set up your Google Pay balance. So just tap on this option that says set up your Google Pay balance and then just tap the got it option. After you do that, you can see it says verify your identity to set up your Google Pay balance to pay friends and businesses. So tap the complete verification option. Make sure to go ahead and then verify your Google Pay account using your legal details. After you do that, after the verification process is complete, you can tap the continue option. Make sure to enter your personal information and everything else depending upon your legal details. Tap on complete verification, upload your photo ID, and your Google Pay balance will get successfully set up after a couple of other steps. This way you can go ahead and then basically set up Google Pay balance. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.